Hi, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So this week is the week for Biafran independence. By this time last year, Biafran was redeclared in Finland. 29th of November 2024, Biafran gathered together in Latin Finland to declare their independence. And the remembrance and celebration has been fixed to be this 29th of this November 2025. Meaning that he's not marking 1 year that Biafran declared their freedom. And a lot has been achieved. People may disagree. Those who know will know. Because of the challenges that followed Biafran's movement after the arrest of Biafran Prime Minister, a lot has happened. And Biafran cannot just celebrate this day, this independence, without remembering journey so far. Some of you may not know what has happened. I'm not here to read or to remind you those things, what happened and all that, because we are here for a reason. Because I saw a post from COS today talking about the readiness and preparation going on in Biafra land and how Nigerian forces have decided to, kind of try their best to stop it. They are trying their best to stop it from order from above. And some of our brothers and sisters are now pronounced victim of that kind of thing. She just made a publication, a tweet, which I would like to share with you. And there's something that she said there, based on the testimony it should be testimony from someone who happened to be the victim or be one of the victims of this kind of lawlessness going on by police and army, harassing people and attacking people for no just reason, as if the country is living in peace and harmony, and Biafrans are the one trying to bring problem. As Nigeria is today, just like a house that is on fire, and everybody is running helter-skelter to safeguard their properties and their family to make sure that their loved ones are not going to be burned down together with the house. So it is your duty as a parent to gather your family to make sure that you will not lose any soul, because lose any life, simply because you are the parent. That's what Biafrans are doing. That's what Biafran government are doing. But people see it as a joke. You see it as a joke because you are not one of the victims. So I don't blame you. Those who know will know. What am I trying to say? Biafrans have decided to declare their independence. They have done it, and this is marking 1 year now, official 1 year. And some people says that they don't agree. You don't need to tell us whether you agree or not. It's your choice. But the number of people that agree outnumber you and your gang. So that is what you need to understand. So this preparation that is going on, once somebody has been attacked by Nigerian forces, and that is why we are going to go through this write-up. I would like to start with this one. All right, let us go through this write-up we are seeing here from COS. Should I just leave it this way, or let me just expand it a little bit? Maybe it will make more sense, as always. Okay, permit me to put it this way. This is from Office of COS. You know why we are going through, these updates regularly? Because I want us to follow everything that USB government, what they are doing, especially this time. So make sure you always, join us here and get yourself involved in our upload video here, our live stream, everything, so that you will be updated in case if you're not on X. Even if you're on X, you need to be here so that we can reason together, and our comment section is open for you to comment and let us know what you think about it. So it's not about Kai Report, it's about everybody. And what you do here, we make sure we bring it to you the way it is, because some people who actually understand the power of declaration of United States of Biafra, what it means to declare Biafra independent, what it means to the ears and international community, they know that you are following the due process, the law, everything. They understand it, but they have to cook up story to make it look like you are committing a crime. For example, the upload we made yesterday about United Nations, resolution on people's rights and in your freedom. Many of us, you are aware of it, but even though you are aware of it, then you know that the USB government are taking the steps according to that resolution. You will be in one corner, discrediting it as if that thing does not exist, because iji potinye ya chie brain again. But not you that are watching. I'm talking about those who don't want to accept the truth. Let's go through this together. As you can see here, the publication was made 2 hours ago. Live account of what happened today, November 25, 25th, 2025 at Oka, Ikemba State, okay, and in Biafran land. He said an innocent unarmed Biafran was arrested, brutally beaten, hands tied by the Nigerian President Tinubu and Christopher Musa, Christopher Musa, army forcefully occupying Biafran territory. Mr. Gino's only crime, that is this name of this Biafran person, who happened to be one of the victims in Nakik Bazwan. Mr. Gino's only crime was preparing for the independence anniversary of the United States of Biafra, USB, coming up on November 29, like I told you, 2025. Forget about those who is busy trying to change the date. Upon all the things that you need to talk about, you are busy agitating that Biafra was declared on 2nd of December instead of 29th of November. Somehow some of us reason. Anyway, please, you already know that one is just a distraction, and that lies cannot stand. Wikipedia have actually proved that to be true, because everything is now on Wikipedia. Here he said, during the captivity, one of the Nigerian army from Kogi State told Gino that they have the order from above, Tinubu to buy. They have the order from above to buy anyone. That's Tinubu told them to buy anyone talking about Biafra. Wow. Hey, God. Okay. He also disclosed that Tinubu has promised to reward or promote Nigerian commissioners of police or army personnel in Biafran land that dealt more with Biafrans. Okay. This live account maltreatment of Biafrans in their own country and buying of unarmed Biafrans by the delegitimized Nigerian politicians in Biafran territory is a crime against humanity, even against God, to be honest, and an infringement on the rights of USB citizens. They are trampling on it. They are trampling on it as if it doesn't matter. But all this is expected, to be honest, because you have to honorable. If you hit a snake, the snake will be running around trying to make noise, trying to show that he can bite, he can know, but the backbone has already broken. You know what I mean? Like if you use a very long stick, maybe achara na Igbo, ibu na achara then pia agwo or mkpọrọ tologo ọfụma, ịkwụọ ya agwọ, kujie ya akwụkwọ azụ ya, ọ na-agbarizi asa ọnụ. If you don't know, you think that this snake is the snake is ready to bite you. You don't know that the snake is actually crying and looking for a way to survive, because the injury and the snake head condition is no longer as it used to be. Okay, so if you know what I mean, you know. The United States of Biafra government will defend its people and territory from the Nigerian foreign invaders. Note, the 1-year independence anniversary of the United States of Biafra will proceed as planned in the 40 states of Biafra, despite this disruption by the invading Nigerian states. Saturday, November 29th, 2025, has been declared as a public holiday and locked down by the United States of Biafra government, DPM Dr. Ngozi Orabeze. So this is what I want you to pick from here, is that sit at home is on Saturday. So know this and no peace, because sit at home has been declared. Biafran has declared sit at home this coming Saturday, 29th of November 2025 rather. I said 2024 because in my mind I can't wipe away that date of declaration. So when each time I mention 29, what next thing that follows immediately is 2024. So just bear with me. So I'm talking about this year, to be honest, this month, 29th of this month, November. As month is coming to an end, this Kuruke movement of these people, those who want to forcefully put you in one corner and one side, simply because they want to tell you how to live and how to let live, which is not true. It's not. It doesn't exist. Okay, it's just a lie from pit of hell. All right. So she made another publication, as you can see here. Let's go through it quickly because I don't want the video to be too long. Like I always tell you, there's no need to make it to stretch the video, so that because we are uploading video so that we can keep to update. Like you can make sure that everything is well explained and well detailed. That does not mean that we are not gonna come live. We will be streaming live, of course, but just understand this pattern for now. November 29th, 2025, public holiday in the 40 states of Biafran loading. Memorable day in Biafran history. The day we declare our independence in Latin Finland. Makadne Ngozi is her government, her country. These are people, bunch of distractors. You think that you constantly repeating that the government belongs to her. Oh, she declared her government as if that she owned it like her private business. You know that she don't even represent herself like that. You are adding that up so that people will look at her as a bad person. We are understanding all these tactics. Okay, I am not in the government. Whatever the government is doing, don't question me about it because I'm not in the government. My own is to report what is going on. So you can see it. The choice is always yours. But if you ask my opinion, I will tell you to do one or two things. But you have not asked, so don't expect me to tell you. But all I can tell you here is that Biafran independence has come to stay. It's not on 2nd of December. There's nothing like 2nd of December in that declaration in that declaration of Biafran independence. All right. Yes, 2nd of December, Biafran were still in Finland. All joined, but the official date of declaration is when COS Dr. Ngozi pronounce it on that stage. That is what it is. If you have issue with it, then go to court. Nigerians currently occupy a foreign land and must leave. Of course, they have to, because the way terrorists are dealing with Nigerians and adding one or two things now, you yourself can relate if you don't mind. Okay, and this her picture. this year's picture. Well, let me open it very well. Not be smart thing. Not be smart thing. Okay. Wow. All right. Here. So I'm gonna adjust it a little bit because of the song. Okay. So let us hear the jingle properly. Okay. I don't want to start from the beginning because of that Christian song may hand us a copyright, which I don't have time for editing and all that. I'm recording that.
Celebrating the first ever independence of the United States of Biafra. For the sake of history, the United States of Biafra was declared in Latin Finland on the 29th day of November 2024. The redeclaration was scheduled to be held on 2nd December 2024. But because of the enemies surrounding the enemy's effort to pull down the historic day, when the enemies conspired together to kidnap our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the Onamadike one of Biafra, they also went ahead to conspire together to also arrest His Excellency Mazi Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister of the United States of Biafra, the overthrow the one of Biafra, which led to the setback that the Biafra faced. They little did they know that there is a lioness, a special woman prepared by God Almighty to make sure that this history is to be celebrated on 29th November instead of 2nd December every year. This woman stood her ground with some of the cabinets who are destined for this history to have a paradigm shift in the days when the enemies are still asleep. This bold step took the effects on the 29th day of November 2024. This little background of Biafran history will also open your eye to see the future of Biafra. After this declaration, there are so many successes recorded under the leadership of the Deputy Prime Minister, Her Excellency Dr. Ngozi Orebeze, the lioness of Biafra. Biafra is being recognized in so many parts of the world today by her effort. Please we will not forget all Biafrans who has contributed in one way or the other to ensure that this day is being celebrated. Some work behind the scene, some supported every move by the leadership of the United States of Biafra to ensure that this history is being remembered. If you are part of this history, join us to celebrate Biafra, celebrate this success, celebrate the victory, celebrate the new nation. Chukwu Ikadiama is by our side as we prepare to go back home from all part of the world to develop our new country. Support every move, every activity, support it spiritually, physically, and otherwise to ensure that the world will recognize us. If you are a genuine Biafra, celebrate the new nation, celebrate the future of Biafrans, celebrate the resilience of Biafra Liberation Army, Biafra resistance fighters, all Biafra forces who have contributed in one way or the other to ensure that this success is recorded. This will not forget you. No, this will not forget you. We are fighting for a nation of equal justice and fairness where your right are respected. Celebrate this new nation, the United States of Biafra. If you are a Biafran, be happy, rejoice, because you are part of this history. On the day of this celebration, the 29th day of November 2025, all Biafran land, every part of Biafran land, the in and out of every Biafran land will be locked and clean. All shops, all businesses, no movement, except those celebrating for the independence of the United States of Biafra. While the Biafra Liberation Army and other Biafran forces should be doing the needful by protecting our land and air. No terrorist of any kind is expected to be in the land of the United States of Biafra. In your home or illegitimate government of the Zoological Republic, you are not welcome. If you have no reason to celebrate this wonderful and historic day, celebrate because you are part of the United States of Biafra. Restore the tears and blood. A nation that fought a war with some nations of the world, including Zoological Republic, called Nigeria. United States of Biafra, a nation restored among the highest sabotage in the whole world, yet they succeeded. Celebrate because you are one of them. It's a reason for you to celebrate this wonderful day. Signed, Her Excellency, the Deputy Prime Minister, Dr. Ngozi Orebeze. Wanikibia, Okulo Karesia. Happy independent celebration, Biafrans all over the world. Congratulations as you celebrate your resilience and courage. Biafra, all hail Biafra. This message is from the office of the USB Global Media, led by Mazi Sunshine. I am Chibai Biafra as the mouthpiece.
All right, that is a very, very wonderful one, and we are waiting for another update. But before we end, I'll have something to remind us. You know, when we are checking the news, when we are reading it, there's something that happened. You know, that because they made it clear that Tinubu, according to the news, Tinubu ordered the security forces to attack Biafrans, and make sure that if you attack, the more you attack, the more you get promoted. According to the news, the more you attack, the more you get promoted. So in that case, you can now understand. So you cannot see that for you to get promoted, you have to buy Biafrans, according to what this person said here. So let me just remind you of that again before we end. All right, here it says, during the captivity, one of the Nigerian army from Kogi State told Gino that they have the order from above okay, that Tinubu told them to buy people. Look at it here. Order from above. Tinubu, in quote, that Tinubu told them to buy anyone talking about Biafra. He also disclosed that Tinubu has promised to reward or promote Nigerian commissioners. So all those commissioners that want promotion will be buying Biafrans because the target is about to promote you. According to this write-up, because the person talking, saying those things happens to be one of those victims so far. Anyway, let me know what you think about it. For you, I'm just saying, I just want to repeat it again for you to know what Biafrans, what people are going through on daily basis is not easy, and it's very, very condemnable. For what? I don't understand. What exactly do they want to achieve by doing that? It is very, very sad. Please let me know what you think, and God bless you. Make sure you like the video and share it on any platform of your choice. Sit at Home is on 29th of this month. Take notes. God bless you. Bye bye for now. Take care.